I'm Sahar Nesaei. I did my PhD in biomedical engineering and I did something like seizure prediction. I started to think it doesn't work. I want to know how data behaves, to make communication with data and know about that. But I knew that I can't follow mathematical points behind everything. I didn't like to have kind of black box view to everything. So I chose to study mathematics, and then I went for data scientist as a role. Honestly, I didn't know that I can find some place somewhere that they have quite a comprehensive gathering of information, experience. I felt something like lag in my knowledge, connection between my basic understanding and how to apply to real world like text. I noticed that the ChatGPT came, OpenAI came, and I felt I want to be part of the flow. I was on the LinkedIn, Data Science Dojo, Large Language Model Bootcamp. Oh wow, that is the one I wanted. I have made the best ever decision of my life. They are working by their heart, by their passion. They are smart. They are creative, and I am happy that I was in this community. If I was on my own, I could have not had this list of information, resources, hands-on experience, the experiences that I could play and see the result we learned on the platform that Data Scientist Dojo provided. We had exercises and hands-on experience there. And then we had great speakers. We could follow them because we were first educated by Data Scientist Dojo because of the material they provided. And then we had great speakers from Vectora, by Sufi, and then even today when he was from YLab. Thank you for these guests that you invited. That is such an opportunity. That is a great side to my understanding that I have all of these in 1 week. I should say that everybody should have this in their plan. If I have a chance, I would participate again and again. I know I am not the one I used to be even 1 week ago. I'm more confident and I have ideas and I can follow, and I am not scared or frightened by the name of LangChain. RAG, observability, explainability, and fine-tuning? No, nothing like this scares me anymore. And I am happy, super happy, and I am thankful. Thank you for your business.